Few cars have captured the essence of performance and design quite like the Porsche 911. Today, we dive into the story of the 996.1 generation, a model that marked a bold departure for Porsche and its iconic XAA Aero kit. The 996.1, introduced in 1998, was the first 911 to feature a water-cooled engine, a significant shift from its air-cooled predecessors. But what truly set some models apart was the XAA Aero kit, a factory option that transformed the car's appearance and aerodynamics. The XAA Aero kit added aggressive GT3-inspired spoilers, sleek side skirts, and rear bumper fins, enhancing both the car's aesthetics and its performance on the road. Inside, the 996.1 offered a driver-focused experience. With supple leather seats and exclusive aluminium trim, it balanced luxury with the raw spirit of a sports car. The XAA-equipped models carried this ethos forward, blending style with substance. Under the hood, the 996.1 featured a naturally aspirated 3.4-liter flat-six engine, delivering 296 horsepower and 258 pound-foot of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, it offered a thrilling driving experience. The Aero kit complemented this by improving stability at high speeds. The 996.1 generation faced criticism for its departure from traditional 911 design, but it has since gained appreciation for its innovation and driving dynamics. The XAA Aero kit models, in particular, stand as a testament to Porsche's commitment to blending form and function. Bold, beautiful, and unmistakably Porsche, the 996.1 with the XAA Aero kit remains a symbol of evolution and excellence. A car that dared to redefine the 911 legacy.